Alright, so I'm back with my tutorials. I'm going to be trying to upload fairly regularly again. Today I have a fairly simple one for advanced flippers or high intermediate or whatever. Um, Alright. So let's get right into it. You're going to start with a 0G index chaplain. You can do any amount, obviously, but then you're going to catch and do a whip rollover. But when you do that whip rollover, you're going to catch it again between your index and your thumb on the bite handle. So, okay. Now you're going to continue that into a wrist pass and go 0 gravity. Catch it with your middle and ring finger in 0 gravity. So, chaplain, catch, whip roll around the thumb, catch with pointer and thumb, wrist pass. You're going to roll around your thumb, and then you have to catch it with your middle finger and your thumb, or go straight and then replace with your ring, or just go straight to middle and ring. Okay? Now from here, you're going to continue that momentum up, bring your hand up, and twirl down to your ring and pinky finger. And then as this handle is coming out this way, once more you're going to kind of wrist pass it, 0 gravity. Okay? Now twirl it to back up to your middle, chaplain around the middle, catch it between your pointer and middle finger again. Alright, so here it is. Then we're going to go into one more whip rollover around the index. One more whip roll around the index. One more around the thumb. You're going to catch between your thumb and your ring finger and do some ring finger chaplains. So what that looks like, so you're on the bite handle, you do it. Okay? So whip roll on the bite handle, and go to your ring finger. Now this is the hardest part, is closing out the combo. From here, you're going to come 0 gravity. Now I find if your hand is tired or you're not used to it, it's actually easier to let the momentum die a little bit and then swing out that handle, kind of exaggerated. Twirl around your middle finger and then roll over up to your index and then catch it like so between your pencil grip, whatever you want to call that. So again, what it looks like from the beginning. Okay. I'll just go over it step by step one more time. So 0 gravity chaplain, whip roll into the thumb and pointer, continue that into middle and ring, keep that going. So that should all be one motion. Do you see what I did? When you do that 0 gravity from the bite handle, catch it and then keep it going, and it'll be easy to keep that twirl going up until here. Now from here it's kind of a ricochet down, right? So you get here, right? Now you're gonna go 0 gravity, you're gonna do a twirl all the way up to a middle chaplain. You can do a couple if you want, but I just do one. So here, right, catch it so you can whip, keep that momentum going, so we're chaplaining, transfer the momentum. All right, and then one more whip roll over into, and you can catch it, right? So you do your whip, you can actually catch it. It makes it a little easier to time into your chaplains. And from there, this is something that a lot of people struggle with, but go 0 gravity and twirl up and then actually finish the move. So we're here, right? So hope that helps some people out. Just something to try. If you have any suggestions of other things I can post, let me know.